Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change payment method on TikTok Shop. It's pretty much the process. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok mobile application, which of course I have done right here. So your official account on TikTok has to be a business account. So you need to follow through the process to change your official account to a business account. Now, once you've done that, the second thing you need to do is to ensure that you have linked your TikTok shop account to your TikTok official account. How do you do that? Launch your TikTok shop account as the seller center, and in there, check the top icon of your screen, click on the icon that you find there, and it's going to take you to your account settings. So click on account settings, and from your account settings, click on linked accounts, link TikTok account. Once you click on that, go ahead and follow through the prompts to link your official account to your TikTok shop account. Once that has been linked successfully, come in here to your TikTok mobile account, that's the official account, and at the bottom corner you're going to find the shop icon. So that's after your shop has been linked to your official account. You're going to see the shop icon. So when you see the shop icon, click on the shop icon from the bottom corner here. And once you click on the shop icon, at the bottom corner you're going to see a couple options which include orders, coupons, messages, addresses, payment, and help. So select payment. Once you select payment, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to find your payment method. You're going to find credit card, you're going to find debit card. So whichever one you choose, if you have an existing payment method there, you can now click on edit payment method for you to edit the payment method to change it. All right, so click on edit or click on change to edit the details in the payment method. That's to change it completely. Or if you don't want to edit the previous one, you can just click on add option. You're going to find it from that window and add a new payment method. Just follow through with the step-by-step processes, which is self-explanatory, to add a new payment method. So that's pretty much the processes that you can take to change payment method on TikTok Shop. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.